if there's some that we didn't kill, we're gonna kill a little time above. Let
Come
them
back
back in. We're gonna come right back down again.
All right.
Hold it over your head.
Yep. Down there? Getting more than you. I'm getting out of here. Oh. Oh, bird. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Looks like a freak. I saw him. Way too far. Yeah. He's gonna get him again here. He landed right there in front of him. Yeah, he went right toward you.
Right over your head.
He was close to us. Okay. To you, he's going to you.
Albert. Hi.
Hi.
Is that a grouse?
Yeah, it was a grouse. I barely had a shot at him, but
Yeah.
I had to take it. I wasn't really. I heard him move. Should have had that one. That was a big pine tree. Just cross the road right there. Well, at least there's birds. First push of the morning. Surprised we didn't flush anything out of there. Two. Yeah, just let him settle down. They went to the left? All right. Two birds. We weren't in position. They flew it the other way and they weren't ready. Big bear track here. Holy crap. Look at this guy. He's a heavy guy. Oh my gosh. Let's get mad down the leaves. It's really fresh. Wow.
On those birch branches.
I see.
See the birch branches left and right? We sat down there with cypress.
You see it?
I don't think I got him.
Oh, he's right there. I thought it was a freaking rabbit at first. Maybe he hit his wing. I was gonna miss the shot in the video. There he goes. You got him? There was one over, there's one there. You see that one? Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, there he is. Another one. Oh shit. How did we miss that?
I don't know.
There was like 4 of them. We missed them all.
Both of those all went to the same spot. Right? Are you kidding me? There ain't nothing down on the ground? No, I got the one. Still there?
You got the one? There's 3 over there.
And then me and him are going to probably walk those things there.
We should have got that one. We both were shooting at it.
No, it's far around my car.
Yeah. You see him? Yeah. I didn't see him.
He just went up and to the left.
Shit. Right here? I didn't even see that last one. I heard him.
They're down on the ground
here. Oh! Woodcock got him! Yeah, dude! How Oh, here he is. Got him! Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, he went right above me and I like pivoted and just...
Nice.
Oh
You
shit.
haven't seen one before, have you? Or shot
I flushed one at our house once.
Yeah. We got a grouse in there and a couple flew over here and then I just threw them up but couldn't get anything at them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they ain't very big, are they?
No, they're tiny. Oh yeah.
Nice to get one once and then say you had it and then
Yeah.
hold your shells after that.
Too expensive.
Oh, I thought it was a grouse at first. I threw my, it went right over me.
We have a camp up here and we haven't seen the partridges like we usually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Give it
I didn't see you pick up that one over there. You threw that at.
Woodcock.
Got it?
Hell yeah.
nice, my man.
Flew over behind me. It was like boom.
Oh shit, just walked in her woodcock. You're going for the partridge.
Oh, the two partridges flew out. I didn't see him. He saw him, and then the
Oh, they flew
woodcock
out
flew
too?
right over my head.
Holy shit. No, all I heard was bang bang. He goes, did I shoot twice?
Nice picking bird.